Good morning. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Farhan from 9th standard at Ansar High School. Today my project is about food waste management. Food waste management is a process of handling and redirecting food that is not consumed by human beings for better uses. Advantages: reduce greenhouse gas emissions, reduce landfill waste, cost savings, social impact and energy recovery. Disadvantages: environmental impact and improper waste disposal. Food waste management relates to the stages of prevention, recycling, recovering or waste food disposal. It includes food waste tracking and food prevention. Food waste is not only just the decreases the availability of food, it also reduces the resources of the food production for future generations. The production of lost or waste food generates that equivalent to 32.6 million cars of greenhouse gas emissions. Food loss refers to reduction in the quantity of food sustained in the food supply chain after harvest it is presented to the consumers. In 2023, the IFFCO data consumed that the 1.9 billion tons of food are wasting per year. IFFCO stands for Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative Limited. In that, 45% of fruits and vegetables, 35% of seafoods, 30% of cereals, 20% of dairy products, and 20% of meats and poultry. The United Nations Environmental Programme reports that the 931 million tons of food are wasting is annually worldwide, which is equivalent to one-third of the global food production. Wasting food increases greenhouse gas emissions and contribute to the climate change and etc. Food waste is a major contributor to climate change. So you can see here there is a two food courts. One is KFC and another is for two Domino's. In front of both there is a two dustbins. One is for wet waste clothes and another dry waste clothes. So now I am throwing. So I am throwing in both of dustbins. So now I will. So it will go and fill up to the container. You can see here. The one is for dry container and another is for wet container. So the dry container will send to the dry crusher to crush, and another is wet container will send to the wet crusher. So the dry crusher will be crushed and will be sent for the construction of the main roads, and wet crusher will be crushed and will send to the organic fertilizers to grow crops. So the model of the crusher will rotate like this. Food production is an area that is important for drive sustainable change, and we believe that we can help. Efficient production facilities, food processing technologies, and food productive technology and food productive solutions can improve food supply chain and harvest and builds a resistance into a food system. Food waste management is a collective effort that requires actions from individuals, businessmen, and governments. Some conclusions on the food waste management. Food waste management has significant consequences. Everyone can play a role. Collaboration is the key. Food waste can be changed effectively. Suppliers can help, supermarketers can help, and consumers can help. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.